There are 3 steps to removing scuff marks from your boat. First, clean the boat. Get it relatively clean. And you might be able to just get it off with soap and water. That's a possibility. But if that doesn't work, the second thing you can use is a little more scrubbing. And the third thing, if none of that other works, you can use this awesome product which I just discovered. So what's the benefit of getting scuff marks off your boat? Well, pretty straightforward, that you have a nice clean boat. Keep a nice clean boat, and it keeps up its value. It sails better for you, depends on where the scuff marks are. It just looks better, you know. You take pride in your things that you have. Here it is, here's number 3, the secret ingredient that I discovered that will help you take scuff marks off your boat. Amazingly easy and quick. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. You can get it wicked cheap at any grocery store, hardware store. You don't have to go to West Marine to get this stuff, and it works amazing. Here's a big scuff mark that I have on my boat. I actually have a number of them. I'm learning to dock. That's all I'll say about that. Haven't messed up the gel coat yet. Come in nice and slow. I have rubbed up against the dock a couple times now. I am using Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to get this off. This stuff just takes it right off. Look at that. I was freaked out when I saw this mark. I said, oh geez, how am I gonna get that off? Because I washed the boat, nothing was touching it. But this just does wonders. And it doesn't do anything to my gel coat. Just a little cheap elbow grease. Look at that, comes right off. Voila! Don't even know it's there anymore. Look at that, isn't that awesome? Best product I've purchased recently, I would say. I hope you found this tip helpful. It's sure helping me out. So go out and get yourself some Magic Eraser, Mr. Clean. Really cheap. And you guys like and subscribe, and I'll bring some more interesting, helpful tips, boat lifestyle guidance, and just how to live on a boat to you. And also, when you like and subscribe, put in the comments what you'd like to see. What do you want to know about? What are you curious about? What tips are you interested in? I'd really appreciate that. And that'll help us get the information out to you. Have a great day. Bye. I thought I'd never get this off. I'm so psyched. Because this just screams, novice boater, doesn't know how to dock. Hits the dock all the time. Even though I do, I don't want to announce it to the world.